Yeah, have fun.
Are these yummy? Both the crabapple and the peas? I know you love the peas though, don't you? Were the peas the most delicious? They are, I know. They're the best. You want to go see more peas, you guys? Yeah. Okay, let's go see more peas. More yummy peas. I'm going to put a little bit of these guys in here as well. I want to sprinkle some of these. I have so many seeds I got to go sprinkle everywhere, you guys. Thank you.
The red grapes?
Yes, those are crab apples.
Crab apples?
Do you like crab apples?
I don't really like the skin, but I like the juice.
You like the juice inside, huh? I know, me too. And they make really good jelly, sweetheart. They really make good jelly. It's fun.
You love jelly.
Isn't it beautiful? I just love it in here. This is my favorite place to be. Ever since this got created 7 years ago, I have had...
You love the most.
I love this spot. There's something special under this willow tree right here. There's just something special. Yes, sweetheart.
Is it okay if you plant strawberries because so you can make strawberry jam?
Oh, we're going to plant strawberries for sure, sweetheart. Yes, those are yummy, aren't they?
Yeah.
We love strawberries.
And we can make strawberry jam with them.
Oh, yum. Won't that be delicious? I just made my last plums. They were sitting in the fridge on a tray. And I made my last plums just now. I made some jam and I made some juice with just a tiny bit of honey. And they were so delicious. So see all this? Anything that can grow in the winter, I got to come back and plant.
Do you want
Not
anything
squash.
over there or nothing?
No, I'm just going to put them into this kitchen garden. You got your gloves. Good. Okay, let's go in.